Hi everyone, welcome back. And today I have another elephant and piggy book. And it's called Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. Look at that. He's sneezing. So many of them. Pigs make me sneeze. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want what? A ball? A swim? A hat? Shoo! He sneezed. Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. Achoo! I cannot stop sniff. Achoo! Sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you tried sneezing more softly? Sorry? But if pigs do make me sneeze, I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Look at that piggy protecting herself. True. Goodbye, Gerald. Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cat make me sneeze too. Done. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news. I have a cold. Good for you. Yeah. Please subscribe and like this video.